So you're given an array like this, and you need to answer what's the maximum sum you can get from any subarray. So a subarray is a continuous sequence of elements within an array, and had this been an array that only contained positive elements, the solution would be straightforward. The subarray with the maximum sum would include all elements. But since we have negative numbers in the array given, it becomes tricky to decide which elements to include. Brute force approach to solve this would be check every possible subarray using nested loops, calculate the sum for each subarray, and then keep track of the maximum sum found. While this approach works, the time complexity is order of n square, which is way too slow for large inputs. So we solve it using Cadane algorithm, as it optimizes this process to run in order of n time. The key idea here is if adding the current element to the subarray increases the sum, we extend the current subarray. But if it doesn't, we start fresh with the current element. Here's how the Cadane algorithm looks like in code. Start by initializing variables to track the current subarray sum and max sum. Here, current sum tracks the sum of current subarrays and max sum keeps the track of highest sum so far. Iterate through the array starting from second element, and after completing the loop, return max sum found. And that's how you go from a slow brute force to clean, efficient ON solution using Cadane algorithm. Save it and share it with someone who is learning DSA, and keep following AcroJob for more such breakdowns.